Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. Today I'm going to talk about very interesting topic, basically DPF and Adblue. However, I'm not going to talk about DPF today. Basically, I'm going to talk about Adblue. When you go to buy, how you going to buy correct Adblue? Because these days many people came with Adblue problem, basically day to day racing Adblue problems because they don't know how to use it, not educate like us. Then I'm going to share my experience, how we going to check the Adblue before put it to your car. Because when you go to the fuel station or when you go into the local store, you go and buy the Adblue, they're giving nice can, open, pour it to the Adblue tank, start the car using, after a week, maybe 2 days, maybe take a while. Adblue sign on the dashboard. Adblue faulty. Call to us. Look, I'll add Adblue, top up Adblue. Now I have warning light. That's why sometimes it's happened. However, I'm going to show you small experiment what I done, but don't going to think about the labels because this is one supplier, this is one supplier, this is another supplier, and that is another supplier. However, we remove the label because some reason we are going to take out the inside here this thing. Then however we remove the label. Don't worry about the names. I'll show you how we going to check Adblue before add to your car. If you follow this step, you can save bit money, I'm pretty sure. Make sure these containers not store to direct sunshine. If you see this one store to direct sunshine, don't go into buy this one because it's not good for your car. You spend already money and you are add junk thing to your car. And the next step, when you're going to buy, make sure this seal, protect seal there, no one open. You can see here, this one already open, no seal here. And after that, make sure the seal there. And the next step, you need to take a can to your hand like this, little bit do the angle and squeeze with your both hand and make sure it won't leak, because if it leak, surround that area crystallizing Adblue, don't go into buy, because that one also, this one need to be airtight. If it leaking mean the its contact with the air, that's mean not good. And the other thing, go to the label back of side, there is a instruction for the manufacture date and the how many years you can use it. Normally this one common regular rule, when manufacture date from 2 years you can use the can. However, I am normally checking, is it within 1 year period, I'm going to buy it. Otherwise I'm not going to buy this container, because imagine this one they recommended 24 months. I'm not going to buy if it 18 months gone, because we know we have another 4 6 months. But however, once I buy this one, I'm also keep it here, maybe it could be a month or 2 months. Then once I add to the car might be using another, depend on the mileage, maybe year or sometimes 6 months something. Then if I take it 18 months, I know I'm not going to do the good job for the customer. Because of that, if we over 12 months, I'm not buy this Adblue for my customers. Basically I'm not using. Then when you buy it, make sure check the manufacture date, and within 6 months or 8-month periods, you are fine. But if it close to the expiry date, don't going to buy. That's another tip when you're going to buy. And other thing, we don't know what's the chemical inside. Sometimes could be water, or sometimes could be urea plus mineral water. Never know. We don't know the percentage. Two things you can do while you buy this one. You can do two things. First, open the lid. This one, for my experiment, I already opened the lid and I left it outside nearly 2 months. And after that, once you buy this one, you can smell. You can smell this one. It shouldn't be any smell. If you feeling this one smell like the sometime, okay, I'll give the nice example. Our socks, everyone wearing the socks. Sometimes some people wearing socks maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks. After that, when the remove the socks, it's going close to the nose. How is your feeling? How is your smell? Exactly same thing. When you open, you don't want to go closer. When you go like this, you feel into your nose, horrible smell. If it like that, definitely not good for the car. Basically, this one bit smelly. Then this one, I'm not recommended to the car. This is the another thing. You can leave it out of the way. Don't going to use. If you can return, take a money totally. You and them, I don't know. But however, I am not recommended. If it smell, if it leak from here, if this one store to straight sunshine, something like that, I'm not recommended to use your car, because you spend money and you dig in the problem, right? However, I know this one not good, leave it out of the way. Now I have another 3 brands. Next step I'm going to do, because even no one can check, I order 2 tool from online. I'll mention the link below. First one I'm going to open. This is the tool, right? This one from DEPA. I'll mention the part numbers in description. If you want, you can buy this one very cheaper, but you have a very value, spend money, keep this one, leave in your boot, then you can test is it good or not. And the another tool I order, this is little bit expensive. This tool came with handy box. This one also good tool, but bit expensive, right? I'm going to show you how to use these 2 tools. But if you have a capacity to buy this one very useful and very accurate, but you can do the manual way also. Well, it's not a problem, but I'm prefer to go this with this tool, right? First thing, I'm going to show you how we going to check with this tool. First, I'm going to check with this brand, but don't thinking about the brand name, because I want to show you how am I going to do it. When you bought the Adblue, you have to open, make sure this ring supposed to be there. If it's not there, don't going to buy the can, because that means someone opened before and might be someone returned before. I'm going to install this pipe here and take a quiz, right? Now all in. Now you can see the blue color thing below the level, we'll see the instruction what it's saying. If it 29%, that's mean change the fluid. First 30%, second one 32.5, and the third one 35%. Normally I am going to say, you can see here 32.5%, that's mean it's very good. That's why I am normally using 32.5. Definitely I am going to use it, but some people say 33.5. However, 33.5 not acceptable, because this disc not showing accurate thing, but it's doing the job, but it's not 100% accurate. Then I'm not 100% okay with this tool, but however, if you want cheaper tool, you can buy this one. Once you use this tool, make sure use water and rinse with the water, because otherwise it's going to crystallize next time. Then you won't able to use this tool second time, right? I'll take a water. Now you can see when I take a water, even this disc not move at all. That means it's moving with the proper urea and distilled water, right? Okay, then after that squeeze in and send all water out. Then after that you can reuse this tool, but however, your choice. I am not recommended that one. I'll put the link. This is the exactly correct tool, right tool. It's very easy to use. What we have to do, open this flap, take a, there is another like a cylinder install here. Take a one sample from the bottle, just drop to here, close this flap. You can see the blue bit inside, there is a meter. Slightly you can see, but it's not 100% clear. When you use your eyesight, then it's definitely inside nice and clearly all figures there, right? What you have to do, you have to take a drop from inside. See the, it's there now. After that, need to just tiny drop here, right? Then after that you need to close the flap and have a look from exactly, it's 32.5. Yeah, that's mean this one exactly in the range. Once you use, again better to rinse with water and make sure nothing inside. Now it's ready for use next time. Use like this tissue, you can see it's like a tiny dot here. Just wipe, that's it. And here also tiny dot here, you can see, just wipe. Now if you want make sure everything okay inside, you can see the inside, there is a normally line there, but I can't see the line from here. I'm going to leave it here. Right, now all good, install here. And After that, you can lock here and you can leave it in the boot or somewhere safer. When you're going to use next time Adblue, check with this meter. If it in 32.5, I am definitely used for my cars and my customer car. But if this one say 33.5, I know 1 point, but no, I'm not using for my car or my customer's car. I know it's not good, but some suppliers said 32.5 okay, but it's not okay for me. Make sure before you use any brand, I don't mind. Normally, I know this brand, long time I using this brand from the Napa. I don't have any problem, and I'm using this one also from the Euro, but that brand also no problem for me. But however, every single use before I add to the car, always I'm check with the meter. You can use this meter, but this one not 100% accurate. Then to be honest, I'm just bought for the this test, but I'm not happy with this tool. But however, if you want, you can buy this one. I'll add the link below. But this is the tool you need to use it for this job. Okay, now you know how you check the AdBlue before add to the car. If you follow this step, you can save lot of money, I'm pretty sure. Thanks for watching. See you with the next video.